here. So in activity first, write the decimals in words. So here some decimal numbers are given, 10 decimal numbers are given. These 10 decimal numbers we have to write in words. Then how to write these decimal numbers into words? Here before the decimal number left side, that is 0. So no, 0 does not have any value. So here 4 is in tenths place. It means 4 tenths. 4 tenths. Okay. Now after that, second one, before decimal 42 is there. First you have to write 42. 42. After 42 decimal is there. So that means we have to write and 42 and. Now here 42 before the decimal 42. After that decimal is there and 42 and 23 hundredths. 23 hundredths. 23 hundredths. So we have to write 23 hundredths. Okay. Now here before the decimal 3 is there. So only 3 is there. First we have to write 3 and decimal is there. 3 and 3 4 34 hundredths. 34 hundredths. 34 hundredths. 34 hundredths. Now here 0 point is there. 0 point means it does not have any value. 38 hundredths. 38 hundredths. Just we have to write 38 hundredths. 38 hundredths. 38 hundredths. 38 hundredths. So this fourth one 0.38 means 0 is there. So no need to take this 0, no need to write 0. So just you have to write 38 hundredths. Now here 5 is there first before decimal 5. First we have to write 5 and after that and 5 and 73 hundredths. 73 hundredths. 5 and 73 hundredths. Okay. Now here before decimal 5 means 55. 55 after that decimal is there. Decimal means and 05 means 5 hundredths. 55 and 5 hundredths. Hundredths. Next before decimal 30 is there means 30 and 11 hundredths. Next here before decimal 77 and 83 hundredths. 83 hundredths. 83 hundredths. Now here before decimal 1 is there. So we have to take 1. After that decimal means and 4, only one digit is there, 4, 4 is in 100 tenths place, 4 is in tenths place, that means 4 tenths, 4 tenths. Okay. Now after that, before decimal 18 is there, first we have to write 18, 18, and after that decimal means and. After decimal only one digit is there, that is 5 in tens place, 5 tenths, 5 tenths. If only one digit is there, that is tens. If two digits are there, like say 11 tenths, not tens, 11 hundredths we have to take. If two digits are there after the decimal, then hundredths we have to take. Okay. Now the next, so write the decimals. Here in words given, so we have to write the given numerals in words that we have to convert into numerals. So 49 and 5 tenths, then how to write 49? So here 49 means first we have to write 49, 49, and is given, and means point. 5 tenths means 5 we have to write in tenths place, 49 and tenths. Next, here 8 and means first we have to write 8 and means point. 78 hundredths means 78 hundredths. If we have two decimals after the decimal, if we have two digits means till hundredths we have. Hundredths means two digits we should get. Here 5 and means 5 point, and means point. 25 hundredths, 25 hundredths. Next 7 and, 7 and means 7 point. 3 tenths, only tenths is given, only one digit means 3 in tenths place. Now the next one, 65 and, 65 and means decimal. 9 hundredths, 9 hundredths, 9 is a single digit, it means, so 9 we have to write in hundredths place, in tenths place 0 is there. 9 hundredths, 9 hundredths. Now 8 and, 8 and means 8 point. 59 hundredths, 59 hundredths means 2 places. Now 59 and, 59 and means decimal. 13 hundredths, 13, 13 hundredths. Hundredths means you should get 2 places. Here only 9, like only one digit is there, means in the tens place we have to keep 0. Okay, that you should understand. Okay, and after that 3 more questions are there, similar questions. That similar questions you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now here place value chart for decimals. So decimals place value chart. See here 125, then point. This is a decimal point. Here we have decimal point. 2408 means, so 10,000 till 10,000. 2408 10,000s. So 2408 10,000s. 2408 10,000s. So this is the way to read. The first one, here left side place values, this is units place means ones place, this is tens place means tens place, this is 1 is in hundreds place, then hundreds place, then after that thousands place will come, here it is 1000, then 10,000s place will come, here it is 10,000, then after that 100,000 will come, then 100,000, then after that million will come, then millions. So this place value system already we know. So what is the place value? Unit means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then after that million in international system. This is about left places. Then right places, then how to read? First one is tenths place, 2 is in tenths place. this is in hundredths place, 4 is in hundredths place, then 0 is in thousandths place, and 8 is in 10,000ths place, then after that hundredths place will come, then after that millionths place will come. Okay. Tenths place starts from tenths place, not from units place. We do not have here units place or ones place. So, here the very beginning we start from tenths place, tenths, hundredths, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, millionths. Okay. Then tens means 1 by 10, hundreds means 1 by 100, thousands means 1 by 1000, and 10,000s means 1 by 10,000s, 100,000s means 1 by 100,000, million means 1 by millionths. So, means that we have to take in the denominator. Then after that 1 by 10 means 0.1, 1 by 100 means 0.01, 1 by 1000 means 0.001, 1 by 10,000 means 0.0001, and 1 by 100,000 means 0.00001. Then after that 1 by million means 1 by million. So, that is 0.000001. So, in this way we have to, so write here. So, the left place values, that's known values we know, units, ones, tens, units, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. The left values tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, then millions. Okay. These are the place values in decimal system. After the decimal places means right places. So, we have to start from tenths, then after that hundredths, then thousandths, then 10,000s, then 100,000s, then millions. Okay. So, now the next concept, converting fractions into decimals. How to convert fractions into decimals? See here. So, first whatever the fraction is given, first we have to try to convert. So, the denominators in terms of tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then 100,000 and million, in that way. So, we try to convert. So, the questions, whatever the questions he is going to give, so that type of questions only he is going to give you. Okay. Here 3 by 4 is a fraction. Then how to convert this 3 by 4 into decimal? See here, what is the denominator here? 4. So, we have to check. So, either it is possible to convert 4 in terms of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, like that. Okay. Yes, first here if you multiply this 4 with 25, then you will get 100, then you will get your denominator as 100. What if you multiply this 4 with 25, 4 with 25, then you will get 100. So, you have to multiply the denominator with 25. If you multiply the denominator with 25, then numerator also you have to multiply with 25. Both numerators and denominators we have to multiply with 25. Here now 3 into 25 by 4 into 25. Numerator and denominator we have to multiply with 25. If we multiply 25 with 3, the product is 75. 3 25s are 75 by 4 25s are. If you multiply 4 with 25, then you will get your answer 100. 4 25s are 100. In this way, our denominator we have to change in terms of hundreds, tens, 1000, 10,000. In that way, first we have to think either it is possible. So, then what number should multiply to get such type of numbers? So, we have to think and we have to multiply with that number. Then after that, what we have to do? So, just we have to take this 75 numerator. So, write your numerator,
without denominator. Then here
So in the denominator, so 100 is there. In 100, how many zeros we have? 2 zeros. If in the denominator you have 2 zeros, then you have to keep decimal after 2 digits from right to left, right to left. This is first digit, this is second digit. First digit, second digit. After 2 digits, we have to keep a decimal in this way. If in the denominator, if we have 2 zeros, then after 2 digits from right to left, you have to keep a decimal. If 3 zeros are there in the denominator, then after 3 digits, you have to keep a decimal from right to left. If 5 digits, 5 zeros are there in the denominator, then you have to take your decimal after 5 digits from right to left. Okay. Here in the denominator, we have 2 zeros. So in the numerator, after 2 digits, we have to keep a decimal, that is 0.75. Then before point nothing is there, so we have to write 0. So 3 by 4 in decimal 0.75, 0.75. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. The next one, the second example. So we have to convert 3 by 16, this fraction, into decimal. Then how to convert 3 by 16 into decimal? So here also we have to think. So what is the denominator? First we have to check. What is the denominator here? 16 is our denominator. So for this 16, if any possibility to convert this 16, this denominator in terms of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, we have to think. We have to think, and if it is there with that number, we have to multiply with that number. So we have to multiply. Yes. If this 16 is multiplied with 675, multiply with 675, 600 is not 75, 625. If you multiply 16 with 625, then you will get 10,000, then you will get 10,000, then you will get 10,000. So for the numerator also we have to multiply with 625. Then here 3 into numerator with 625 by denominator into 625. Numerator with 625, denominator with 625, we have to multiply. Then after that, now you have to multiply 625 with 3. So then what is your product? So your product is 1875 by 16 into 625, that is 10,000. That is 10,000. Now after that, what we have to do? After that we have to take a numerator. What is the numerator? 1875. In this numerator we have to keep a decimal. How to keep a decimal? So in the denominator, how many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros we have. So in the numerator also, after 4 digits from right to left, we have to keep a decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4th digit, we have to keep a decimal. 0.1875 10,000s. Here there is no number, means we have to take 0. So 3 by 16 in decimal is 0.1875. Okay. Now see here. So in the activity 2, write the following fractions as decimals. As decimals we have to write. So here fractional value is given. So 93 by 100. It is already denominator is in terms of 100 tens. In that way only he has given. So no need to multiply, nothing. So just we have to take the numerator. What is the numerator? 93. So in the 100, how many zeros we have? 2 zeros, 1 and 2. So from right to left, after 2 digits we have we keep a decimal. First, second. After 2 digits we have to keep decimal here, and after that nothing is there, we have to write 0. okay, 0.93. Now here 25, in the denominator we have 25, 2 by 25. First we have to think, so this 25, either it is possibility is there to multiply 25 to get tens, 100, 1000, we have to check. Yes, if you multiply 25 with 4, then you will get 100. Multiply with 4 and multiply with 4, numerator and denominator. So 2 into 4, numerator with 4, so denominator with 4. Then 2 4s are 8, 25 4s are 100, 25 4s are 100. Then, so 8 by 100. So now we have to take numerator, 8 hundredths, 8 hundredths means 8. We have to take numerator, by 100 means hundredths. So after 2 places we have to keep a decimal, after 2 places. Here hundredths means this is hundredths place, so one more tenths place is absent, there we have to keep a decimal. Hundredths, 8 hundredths means 0, 8. So then you will get 2 places, 1 and 2. After 2 places keep a decimal, then 0. After 2 places, here only one place is there, so that place we have to write, and one more place we have to keep, in the tenths place we keep 0. Then after that keep a decimal, and before that 0. Okay, 8 hundredths, in hundredths 8 is there, in tenths nothing is there, means we have to keep 0, and after that keep decimal. Okay. Now here first you have to simplify this one. So how to simplify? So this 10 ones are 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. This is 1 by 10. Actually this is 1 by 10. So these two will divide with 10. 10 ones are 10 tens are. So the answer is 1 by 10. Now we have to take numerator. Numerator is 1. In the denominator we have 0. 1 tenths means 1 tenths means after tenths place we have to keep a decimal. After 1 digit, after 1 place, here only 1 0 is there, tenths place. After tenths place we have to keep decimal. Now 63 hundredths, hundredths means 2 places. After 2 places, so from right to left we keep a decimal, then 0, 0.63. Then 51 hundredths. So after 2 places means 1 5. After 2 places from right to left we keep a decimal. Now 60. So we have to divide with 10. 10 6 are 10 tens are, that is 6 by 10. 6 tenths. 6 tenths means after 1 digit we have to keep a decimal, 6 point, and here 0, 0.6. 3 by 4, here there is no 100, there is no 10, nothing. So we have to think, so when is possibility is there to get in tens and hundreds? Yes, if you multiply 4 with 25, then you will get 100. 3 25s are 75, 4 25s are 100, that is 75 tenths. Means after 2 places we keep a decimal from right to left, 1 2. First we take 5 and 7, 75 tenths. 75 hundredths, not 75 tenths. Here 4 tenths, after 1 place we have to keep a decimal, 4 tenths. This is 4 tenths. Now, so 10 table, 5 za 10 za, 10 5 za 10 10 za, that is 5 by 10. 5 tenths means after 1 place. After 1 place we have to keep a decimal. 3 tenths, 3 tenths means after 1 place from right to left. Here cancel with 2 table, 2 3s are, no need to cancel. So just you make 30 by 50, 30 by 50. So make this 50 in terms of 100, 1000 like that. If you multiply with 2, then you will get 100. 32s are 60, 52 is a 100, 52 is a 100. Now you cancel with this, with a 10, 10 6 are 10 10s are, that is 6 by 10, 6 tenths, 6 tenths means 0.6. Now 1 by 4, first we make it 100, so by multiplying with 25, multiply by 25 numerator and denominator, 25 ones are 25, 4 25s are 100, 25 hundredths means after 2 places, so we have to keep a decimal. This is the way to convert the given fractional values into decimals, making denominators hundreds, tens and thousands in that way. Okay. So, for what number we have to multiply to get that, we have to think and we have to write. Okay.